what's critical with this sling is to adjust it properly. The tether is kind of designed to work basically to the end of the receiver here, maybe a little shorter. It depends on your body type. Shorter would work for larger bodies with a larger main loop, and shorter works a little better with us guys who are really smaller. So when you're setting it up, you're going to look for how it rides on your body. If it rides too low, you probably have the tether too long, and it's kind of your preference too. It will ride more muzzle up as you shorten the tether, but when you when you switch over to single point sling mount, it is going to hang lower if you have a larger loop.